how to monetize my YouTube channel. So, this is a very important question that came into my mind, and I started researching about it. So, today I would like to tell you guys that it is very easy to monetize your channel if you go on a step by step basis. But now you will be asking me, why have you not done your channel monetized? So let's get started. In this session or in this video, I'm going to talk about in detail how I am going to monetize my YouTube channel from very basic, where I have just about 500 subscribers. So today I will be telling you about what you can do it and what this playlist all about is. So first of all, let me tell you about this playlist. So this playlist is a challenge basically where I am going to monetize my own channel and show you how you guys can also monetize if you apply the same rules and techniques that I apply on my YouTube channel. So first of all, let's understand today with the very basics, like what are the things or what are the procedures or where from where we can start monetizing our channel. So we have to go to the very basics. And for that, we have to go to our YouTube dashboard. So guys, as you can see, this is my YouTube dashboard. Now, this is the last video that I have uploaded on my YouTube channel. This is the amount of subscribers, 541 subscribers, as you can see in the dashboard. This is the summary or the watch time hours or the details of the dashboard, other the things, what are there on the dashboard. So let's go to the dashboard. You all know about this dashboard. This is a very common place where all the creators usually land up. If you are a content creator or a channel which uses mobile phone, then you have seen all these things on your YouTube Studio app. So now I am going to the earn section. As you can see, in this earn section, I will tell you about how you can monetize your channel. So there are two ways to monetize your channel. The first one is to monetize using memberships, super stickers, or shoppings. And the second one is monetizing by watching ads or showing short feed ads. So basically, there are two ways by which you can monetize your channel. So number one, we are going to study or we are going to see how we can earn money through memberships, super stickers, and shoppings. There is a eligibility criteria. Number one is 500 subscribers, and number two, the eligibility criteria is that you should have uploaded 3 videos in the last 90 days. And the number three criteria is that you could gain 3000 watch hours, valid watch hours in the last 365 days. Or if you are a short content creator, then you should consume or you should gain 3 million subscribers, 3 million short views overall. Then you can be available with the apply now section. Then you can easily apply for getting monetizing your channel using membership. Now, what is membership? Membership is where you grow your community and earn monthly, excite your audience with access to exclusive perks as a monthly paying member. Viewers will be able to join from your channel and video pages. You'll receive 70% of net revenue. Now, next is supers. Strengthen connection with your friends. Super chats. You have seen super chats where you go live in the live sessions where people just put some super chats or give you some money. So it is available once your channel monetizes. Super stickers, super thanks help you engage with your community and help support it. With supers, you can earn each time fans buy a highlighted chat or animated message. You could easily see in very famous YouTube channels when they go live, there are some pop-ups messages coming up. If someone pays some certain amount and it comes and flashes up. So it is all supers. Now let's see about shopping. Connect your online shop to YouTube. So what you can do is you can connect your online shop to promote your personal exercise or something to on your channel. So it will be a very great option for you to understand your journey. Now, secondly, there is the way. Now we have seen the eligibility criteria. Now, future milestone. Now, this one is the most important thing to earn money from in YouTube. So this page is the most important page as it gives you the highest amount of earning from YouTube. So how to unlock this step? This is basically the YouTube AdSense, which most of the creators talk about and most of the creators earn from. So how do you earn money from this? So basically, first of all, you can see there are watch page ads. Earn from ads and YouTube premiums on the watch page. You can earn from ads on or around your videos and from YouTube premium subscribers watching your videos on the watch page. Short feeds. Earn from ads and YouTube premium in the short feeds. You can earn from ads between shorts and from YouTube premium subscribers watching your shorts in the shorts feeds. So it is like that. So the eligibility criteria is very important over here. Now, what is the eligibility criteria? The first one is that you should have at least 1000 or 1000 subscribers. Second criteria is an optional one, like add one of the following. So if you are a long form creator, then you should have valid public watch hours of 4000 or more in the last 365 days, or 10 million views on shorts if you are a short content creator. If you are both, then it will be difficult for you because you will be having different audiences. So it will be a different sort of things altogether, but you are going to get a large audience. So it is good for you, maybe turning a different thing for you guys. I'm not sure about that. So what is this? This is all about the earn section of YouTube. These are the resources, learn, things to grow, and all that things. Now, coming back over here, now let me tell you why I am doing this challenge. I'm doing this challenge because I have thought to just monetize my YouTube channel. Now, it's been a very long time since my channel is there. I have uploaded a lot of videos, like you have seen the last 365 days video challenge that I did on my YouTube channel. Then there are many other videos that are there on my channel. So why I'm doing this challenge on my YouTube? Because many of the creators, many of the people that I meet usually ask me why your channel is not monetized. What are the wrong things you are doing? So now this is the time to show them that how I can monetize my channel using this challenge. So this challenge or this journey is a step-by-step process where I will do some crazy things, and I will be showing you all how to monetize a channel which have a subscriber base of around 500. So it is very easy. You just need 1000 subscribers to monetize your channel with your AdSense and at least 4000 public watch hours. So these long form videos are going to be a very potential hit from my side. I assume that you are going to give a great support from your end. So I want you guys to come along with me in this journey and join with me as I build the next future or something amazing out of the box and present to you guys, because I think this is one of the great things I am doing, and this will be a very interesting thing to be showcased on YouTube. So let's start the journey without wasting any further time and enjoy the process. Thank you for watching till now. I'll meet you in the second session of this video where I will be telling you more about how we can monetize our own channel. And I have also decided the second topic, like the second video will be about how to build your YouTube channel in a way that you can monetize your channel. So first of all, today's session was all about introduction and briefing about the playlist. So second video or the upcoming video will be a very important video for you guys, because in that video you will be making a building block about how your channel can be a great success. So this video is till here only. I think you have got some insights what I am trying to do and what I have got vision in my mind. So thank you for watching till here. I'll see you in the next one.